Good afternoon, students. I am Ankita, teacher. Let us begin with today's topic, animal shelters. Module 1, different types of animal shelters. What do you mean by shelter? Shelter means a safe place where one is protected from any danger. Why do we need a shelter? We need a shelter because it protects us from cold weather, scorching sun, heavy rains, and gusty winds. Some people live very close to forests. They have to face the threat of wild animals. A shelter protects them from the wild animals too. Do animals also need shelters like us? Yes, they too need a shelter to protect themselves and feel safe. But do you think all animals have homes like us that is made of bricks and cement? Let us find out. In earlier days, animals lived together in the forest. But as time passed, they felt the need to have their own shelters. So, animals like the lion, fox, bear, and wolf chose to live in a den. A den is a cave of hard rocks and stone. It protects them from danger and bad weather. Monkeys have long limbs and a long tail, which helps them to climb easily. So, they decided to live on trees. The leaves of the tree gave them shelter. Animals like the koala and the red panda too live on trees. Some small animals like the rat, rabbit, and the groundhog could not climb the trees. So, these animals found a cozy place to live in burrows, holes, and pits. Rats and mice also live in areas where people live. They make holes in the walls or under the floors in the houses. They mostly take shelter in mud houses and not in those built with cement. That is because they cannot dig holes into cement construction. Creatures like the snakes too live in tree holes or the ground pits. The crocodiles and the frogs loved both land and water and were not able to decide. So they lived on both land and water. So we call them amphibians. The fish live in the water. The bats live in tall trees and dark caverns in mountains. Some bats look for shelter in old, deserted, tumble-down buildings too. There are some hard-working animals like the honeybees and the ants. They make their own colonies. Few animals could not find shelter for themselves, so they found a comfortable and a safe place between the tall trees and long grasses. Example: elephant, deer, and zebra. Nests are shelters that birds build to protect themselves from other animals. Nowadays, people keep animals at home in order to protect themselves from theft. They build shelters for them. Like a dog lives in a kennel. It helps to guard our homes. There are farm animals like the cow, which lives in a cowshed. Similarly, stable is the shelter for horses to be safe and protected. A hen lives in the chicken coop or hen house. So students, we can conclude that like us, animals also have their homes where they feel comfortable and safe. After watching the video, take your EVS notebook and write classwork. On a new page, write classwork above the margin line. Then write today's date and name of the lesson on the first line. Complete the heading by drawing two lines as shown on the screen. Then write the questions and answers as shown. Question number 1. What is shelter? Answer: a safe place where one is protected from any danger, a place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. Question number 2. Why do mice and rats not enter houses built with cement? Answer: mice and rats do not enter houses built with cement because they cannot dig holes into cement constructions. Question number 3. Where do bats find shelter besides dark caverns? Answer: besides dark caverns, bats find shelter in tall trees or old, deserted, tumble-down buildings. For homework, number 1, you will read textbook page numbers 15, 17, 18 and box the new words as shown. Number 2, draw or stick a picture of your favorite animal along with its shelter and write few lines on it. Thank you.